Ano ba? Saan? Sa kabila.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlewomen. So we are here. This is Maya.
Uniform.
Hindi, siguro pagka mga ganitong events. No? Talagang
Ano yung usan?
nakapantalon, owe, gano'n.
Buti na lang hindi ka nagpasta.
Naman sila.
Awal din naka.
Cheer and muffins and fruits, some fruits of yogurt. This is our bread. And here, wow, it's very cool. And you have to go there.
The team is maintaining the high ground formation while raising a toast to the world-renowned aviation event, Mahayan International Airshow 2024. The formation is being led by the team leader in Paraguay Group.
For today's videos, I'm not taking picture, I'm taking video. The airplane. Ah, sir. Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Welcome to vlog, Sara.
Also,
Sige natin.
ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
No, they're coming now.
Where are you na?
They will go down here. Oh, take